the last question. Okay, did you find the actual amount of fuel used in question number 10? Yes or no? And question number 11, using your answers for the actual or precise amount of fuel and estimated amount of fuel an airplane uses in 3 minutes, find the difference between your answers. Use a piece of paper to show your number sentence, tape diagram, and how you solved to find the difference. How do you know that your estimated amount is a good estimate? Share your thinking. So right here, you're going to tell me the difference. What is the difference between the two? And then you need to tell me how you knew your estimate was a good estimate. Was your difference really big? Was it really small? You tell me. After you have finished this question and you've done all the rest, you're going to push this submit button right here. And then it's going to tell you, look, I didn't answer any of the questions, so that's why it didn't work so good. All right, then you're going to come back here, you're going to answer your question, and then you're going to submit, and I will know you're done. Great job, you guys. I'm super impressed and super proud.